Now that we know that there's this structure of this intelligent agent and this environment and the percept action cycle is going on continuously. The structure is working. We will go into the classifications of both agent and environment, different types of agent and environment that we can have. Okay, first I will go into the classification of environment. Please follow this classification along with the slide of lecture 2 that I have given to you. It will be easier for you to follow. First criteria is observability. Whether my environment is observable or not. And what do I mean by observable? I mean that whether all of the environment which is required for my agent to take an action is available for me or not. Whether I can see all the required parameters of the environment which I require, all the parameters of the environment which I require for taking a particular action to do a particular task. For example, take the example of chess. For playing chess, you need to, what is your task? You need to make a move, right? For taking the proper move, what is the thing that you require? The thing that you require is what is the move that your opponent has taken, and is that information available to you? That information is available to you always, at all times, just by looking at the chessboard. Hence, the environment for a chess playing system is called fully observable. Right. Now come to the case of a card software for playing cards, like bridge, a program for playing bridge. Here you are. I am very bad at drawing, don't mind. You can see all the cards in your hand. But here, the other person, he is sitting, he can see his hand, but you cannot. This is me, this is him. You cannot see his hand, right? But for choosing the optimal card from your deck, knowledge about his card is essential. If you had known his hand, you would have chosen the best card from your deck, but that is not available to you, unfortunately. That is a partially observable system. The next category is deterministic. Whether the environment is deterministic or stochastic, the opposite deterministic, opposite, okay, whether the environment, they are not the same word, deterministic or stochastic. In deterministic environment, what happens is your environment has a present state. On the present state, you do some action. From that, the environment goes, this is environment, the environment goes to a next state. If the next state of the environment is totally described from the present state and present action, then it is called deterministic. For example, in a computer vision system, in an image analysis system, the environment is the present image. You do some processing on it. You know what the processed image will be. That is your next state. You know with full surety. You know with full analytically. That is an example of a deterministic environment. If you cannot say with full certainty what the next state will be with this knowledge of present state and current action, then that environment is called a stochastic environment. Now, I should impress upon the fact there may be some cases in which the environment is deterministic, but it is partially observable. Then, to the agent, the environment will appear stochastic. Why? Because it knows the current action, it knows the present state, but since it cannot observe the next, it knows the present state. The present state is in its knowledge. Okay. Now, since it cannot perceive the environment fully, why cannot it perceive? Because I have told it's a partially observable. So I have taken a partially observable environment. Since the agent cannot perceive the entire environment properly, it does not know the next state with full certainty. It knows the current action, it knows the present state, but since it cannot perceive the next state fully because of the partial observability, it does not know the next state fully. To the agent, the agent will think what? The agent will think that to me, to the agent, it will appear as if the environment is stochastic. That is, the next state of the environment is not completely described by the current state and the agent's action. Actually, had it been able to see the environment, it could have seen the total information of the environment. It would have been deterministically, it would have been a deterministic environment only. But since it cannot see, to the agent, it is coming out to be partially, since the environment is partially observable, to the agent it is appearing that the environment is stochastic. Such as environment of Mars rover, unknown friction coefficient of Mars surface.